guys, what's up? Ciphered CMT here and welcome to another video of my channel. In this video I'm gonna introduce you some programs, some extensions, and talk about HTML. That is it a programming language or what? To start our playlist of long journey making templates with HTML and CSS, of course. With no more time waste, let's go to the video. Up we go. First, let's see what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a markup language for documents designed to be displayed in web browsers. It defines the content and structure of web content. It's often assisted by other technologies such as cascading style sheets or scripting languages such as JavaScript. Now that we know what is HTML, we can go to introduce programs that you can design HTML and CSS templates in those and display it in web browsers. I introduce you 3 applications that are very suitable for making templates with HTML. Number 1 is Notepad++. This application is more like Notepad in Windows, but it has more editing tools that you can edit HTML codes even more easier. Number 2, Sublime Text. This application is more like Notepad++, but with a big difference in UI. Number 3, Visual Studio Code. This huge application can help you make HTML templates very easily, give them style with CSS or change their behavior with JavaScript. This application supports a huge list of programming languages that you can use, and a huge list of extensions that you can use to design your programs very easily. Now that we know about applications that we can write HTML templates in them, I'm going to introduce you 3 Visual Studio extensions that are very useful for designing and programming. From these 3 extensions, 2 of them are used to change VS Code's UI for better understanding, and the other one is used to display HTML templates without refreshing. Number 1 is Material Icon Theme that helps you to find your project files and folders very easily. Number 2, you can use Monokai Pro so you can change your code color and not be bored by the default. Number 3, Live Server Extension. This extension helps you refreshing your website without any refresh. Yes, you heard me right. Every time you make changes in your code, this extension refreshes your HTML template. There you go, you now know all that you need to start making HTML templates. If you like this video, please push that thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and make that bell ring. Obviously, don't forget to comment. If you liked to dive deeper in our videos, you can join our Telegram and Discord channels. See you on the next video, swish!